Hello everyone, today I am teaching you about using at preposition according to different situations. Most of the time we make a lot of errors related to at preposition, but today we can overcome these things. At preposition is widely used in our conversation. We should know how at preposition should be used to describe the right position of a person or an object. Okay students? Now you can see some beautiful examples on the board. Look at the first example. There is someone who is standing at the bus stop. Now look at the second example. There is someone who is waiting at the door. Now look at the third example. There is someone who is reading at her desk. Now look at the fourth example. At the top of the page, at the bottom of the page. Let me repeat once again. At the top of the page, at the bottom of the page. Now we are going to read these examples very carefully. There is someone at the door at the bus stop. She is working at her desk. Read these expressions very carefully. At the top, at the bottom, at the end of something. Now we are going to read some more examples. Write your name at the top of the page. My house is at the end of the street. Now you have been able to understand these things. Now you can understand at preposition very well. You will be able to memorize very well in the future. Thank you for watching it.